In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to permanently delete a video. If you no longer need a video on your account and you want to remove it for good, this process is very straightforward. Just keep in mind that deleting a video permanently means it cannot be recovered later. So before you continue, make sure this is definitely the video you want to erase. Start by opening the video you want to delete. Once you're on the video page, look for the settings option and click on it. This will open the controls and options related to that specific video. If you don't immediately see everything you need, don't worry. Some platforms place advanced actions a little farther down in the menu so that important changes aren't made by accident. After that, go into Advanced. This section usually contains the more permanent or account level actions for the video, including options that affect visibility, ownership, or deletion. Take a moment here to make sure you're working on the correct video, especially if you manage several uploads that may have similar titles or thumbnails. Next, scroll down until you find the Delete Video option. Once you see it, click it. At this stage, the platform will typically give you one last warning. That's intentional, because this action is permanent and designed to prevent accidental removal. When the confirmation message appears, review it carefully and then confirm the deletion. After you confirm, the video will be removed permanently, and that's it. The full process is simply to open the video, click Settings, go to Advanced, scroll down to Delete Video, and then confirm. If you're cleaning up older content, updating your library, or removing something that was uploaded by mistake, this is the fastest way to do it. One final tip: if you think you may want access to the video later, consider downloading or backing it up before deleting it, because once the removal is confirmed, there's usually no way to restore it. If your screen doesn't update right away, give it a moment and refresh the page to verify that the video is gone. That's all for this tutorial. Now you know exactly how to permanently delete a video.